Professional presentation is often about the smallest details. A clean layout, consistent typography, balanced spacing, and properly placed visual elements can completely change the way a digital document looks. That is where our Photoshop document editing service can help. We provide professional editing solutions for digital documents, scanned materials, business graphics, promotional content, and other design-based files. Our focus is simple: understand your requirements, make the requested visual changes carefully, and deliver a clean and polished result. Resizing, repositioning, and general design improvements. We can also work with digital forms, business materials, advertisements, menus, flyers, brochures, promotional graphics, presentation materials, product information sheets, and various other legitimate design projects. One of the most important parts of professional editing is consistency. A change should not look randomly added to a design. Fonts, text size, spacing, positioning, colors, and surrounding elements should work together naturally. For this reason, we pay close attention to the existing visual style of your file. Each requested adjustment is made with the overall design in mind. Working with us is straightforward. Send your file and provide clear instructions describing what you would like to change. Mention the text, image, layout, color, size, or other elements that require attention. The clearer your instructions are, the easier it is to achieve the result you are looking for. We believe professional service also means good communication, attention to detail, responsible file handling, and reliable delivery. Every project is reviewed carefully before completion to ensure the requested visual changes have been properly applied. Whether you need one small adjustment or multiple design improvements, our Photoshop document editing service provides a flexible solution based on your individual requirements. Give your digital materials the professional finishing touch they deserve. For clean visual corrections, accurate formatting, detailed Photoshop work, and polished presentation, contact us with your project requirements today. Send your file, explain the changes you need, and let us take care of the editing. Thank you for watching. We look forward to helping you with your next project.